गोवन वार्ता लाईव्हच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि बेल आयकॉन दाबून लेटेस्ट व्हिडिओचं नोटिफिकेशन मिळवा.
Sir, I request to move the motion under Rule 306 to suspend the rules of procedure and conduct of business of the Goa Legislative Assembly.
The motion is that the rules of 258 and 259 of the rules of procedure and conduct of business of the Goa Legislative Assembly do stand suspended is application for the 14th session 2021. Motion is before the House. Just hold on. I now put the motion to the votes of the House. Those in favor will say ayes. Can you speak?
Yeah, they can speak on the motion.
Okay.
Speaker sir, now this motion of suspending rule 258 and 259 basically curtails the period of the House. Now section rule 258 clearly says that general discussion on budget has to be for 3 days minimum. Rule 260 says that discussion on demands, not less than 15 days. Last year, you find out what was the number of days House was conducted. House must have been conducted for not more than 8 or 10 days. You can get the details. Last year. This year also, now this may be the last assembly session, everybody talks. So this year also we have only had a short session initially, and now again we are trying to curtail, hush up the entire thing, hush up the general discussion on budget, hush up the passing of demands. मोदी तुम्ही ते फ्रायडे घालपा सोदताले, न्यूजीन फाल्यां गेल्ले असेंब्ली चीफ मिनिस्टरान एश्योरन्स दिलें की प्रायवेट मेंबर्स डे should be private members day, nothing should be allowed. We saw to it in this business advisory committee meeting that private members day is written as private members day. तुम्ही आता असे जालें माहिती हावसाने कितें तें स्पीकर सर, where do we raise the issues? Demands आता तुम्ही क्लब करतले, you will club the demands, various demands, and you will put it on for a voting. उलोवपाक चान्स खंय मेळटलो, कोणाक चान्स मेळटलो उलोवपाक? You decide. I think this is very unfair. एका वटेन स्पीकर्साची सगळ्या स्पीकर्साची कॉन्फरन्स जाली. When Mr. Pratap Singh Rane was the speaker of this assembly, I remember because he had briefed me at that time. And there was a consensus in the entire speakers conference conducted by the Lok Sabha speaker that small states must have an assembly for at least 30 days. Bigger states must have an assembly for at least 60 days. This was the consensus. Mr. Rane also at that time was part of that meeting, and he also said, आता तुमचे पळयलें जाल्यार आतां ह्या गेल्ल्या वर्सा आनी ह्या वर्सा कितले दीस जातले सेशन, आनी तातूंत तुमी डिमांडाचेर डिस्कशन कर्टेल करता, तातूंत तुमी तुगेले बजेट जनरल डिस्कशनाचेर डिटेल करता. This is going to be the last budget. हाजे मुखार आनी budget will have to be placed by the new government. So that is what I am saying. So yeah, इतल्या limited period, how you see house functioning like this? आम्ही आज सकाळीच उदळीत पळयलें की क्वेश्चन तुम्ही बिझनेस एडवायझरी कमिटी you decide, you take one decision that all the replies have to be there before 48 hours. You stick, we have no other grievance. We say give us replies 48 hours before. कोण responsible, कितें responsible, that is not our liability. You have to see who fails to give us reply. My reply दिता ते टायमार दिना आणि दिता ते unreadable असता. Now what is the solution for this? House चलपाक जाय काय नाका? This is my
Point of order, Speaker sir. Speaker sir, honorable leader of
Bhavin एकच मिनिट बेसिक डिस्कस हांव आशिल्लो बेसिक हांव सांगता.
सगळ्यात बरोबर
I know the rule, I'll quote the rules, no? तो पळय rules quote करता, हांवूय rules quote करता न्ही.
ताका उलोवणी मागीर कर.
रिप्लाय कर.
अशें दिसता की आमी आनी तुमी वावर काडटात कोंकणीन सादें म्हणलें जाल्यार हो एसेंब्लीचो वावर काडटात कशी तरी लास्ट बजेट कशें तरी सोंपोवन या जरा कित्या खातीर करताय वा तुमचें लास्टूच दिसता म्हाका हें खूब जाणांचें फायनलूच जावपाचें आहा हें क्लियर दिसता कित्याक तुमकां इंट्रस्टूच ना तुमकां क्वेश्चन आन्सर करपा नाका आ अरे तशें दिसता स्पीकर सर की तुमी रुल्स सस्पेंड करतात रुल्स कित्याक सस्पेंड करता कोणा खातीर सस्पेंड करता कितें फायदो आहा तुमचे कोण अर्ध जाण कोण उलयत ना अर्ध जाण अडानीची सुपारी घेतल्या दिसता ओदर ती अलिना असेंब्ली हे इश्यू रेज करता एक्विजिशनाचो तुमचेच आमदार तिका बंद करता आनी तिचेर प्रेशर हाडटा सायन बांदनाका म्हणटे हाफ एन आवर डिस्कशन हे कितें लोकशाहीची हत्या जाली काल बिहारान दोडायल्या ओपोजिशनाक रस्त्यार उडून बायलांच्यो साडयो पिंजल्या तें जावपाचें उरलां तें एक करतकर तुमी एक हात वयर काडा 60 वर्सांचें लिबरेशन आमी जिखलें म्हणून आनी कितें उरलां हें खंय लोकशाहीची रेग्युलर हत्या जाता हांगा कांय ना डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटा ती दवरूंकूच ना आनी स्पीकर सर यू हॅव टू असर्ट युअर सेल्फ तूं कितें तें सांगता तें आयकूं नाका
स्पीकर सर बीएसी
You are no longer BJP MLA only. You are the Speaker of the House.
असलो तो आता हांगा उलोवपाक मेळा कितें उलयता आमी
Speaker sir,
शुक्रार घ्या म्हणून बीएसीच्या डिस्कशनाक तुम्ही आसा
मुख्यमंत्र्यान कशे भशेन वागलो तो सगळ्याक खबर आहा
स्पीकर सर बीएसी डिस्कशन जाल्लें आसा
बीएसीक बरोवन दिल्ले 4 जाणांनी बरोवन दिल्ले मुख्यमंत्र्यान आयकूं ना
हे पळय स्पीकर
He
सर
did not
तुम्ही आसा
move for a vote on it.
तुम्हीच बीएसी कंडक्ट
कितें
केला
BSc?
तो हांगा
कसली BSc? मोहीन नाल्लो देशाक.
सांगता बीएसी
BSc.
डिस्कस चला आणि बीएसी सांगलेले आमी
खंयची BSc? ताका move करपाक लागला तो नाशिल्लो BSc.
अपोजिशन लिडरान सांगले शुक्रारा नाका म्हणून
डेप्युटी स्पीकर नाशिल्लो मोविन नाल्लो आज मोविनाक मोशन मूव
Speaker
करपाक
sir,
लागला
have you finished?
BSc
I
कितें
will
जालें
reply.
तें खबरच
I will
ना
reply. I will reply. Speaker sir, as rightly said by Vijay, honorable member, last BSc हांव नाशिल्लो आनी मायकलूय नाशिल्लो पूण हेजे आदी राव मरे
इजिदोर रे.
इजिदोर आय मीन सॉरी बाय मिस्टेक इजिदोर फेर्नांडीस स्पीकर सर हांव इतलें सांगपाक सोदतां हेजे आदीं जेन्ना बीएसीन डिस्कशन जाला आनी आमी एरायव केला एट अ सर्टन कन्सेन्सस म्हण नाका आमी एग्री जावया म्हूण भायर प्रेसाकोड येवन दुसरेंच उलोवणें जाता सेम वे 1 minute
Sir, we are not discussing press.
let
Press
me
is also
finish
here looking at
I am
you.
on my legs let me finish Speaker sir in the same way हे सोयेचें जाल्लें आसा बीएसीन एग्री जावप हांगा येवन दुसरेंच उलोवप दुसरें डिजिटायज जेन्ना
Televised कर.
1 minute let me
Televised
finish
proceeding
Arre,
of the
I'm quoting the rules
Right, camera live.
thereafter I will quote the rules आतां तेणें म्हणलें आमी म्हणल्यार तो भडकता आतां तेणें कितें म्हणलें तुम्ही वचपाचे आसा न्ही हो लास्ट बजेट आनी कितें पॉलिटिकल कमेंट मारता तूं उलयता बीएससी डिस्कशनां जाला ते प्रत्येक पार्टी तुम्ही वयता तुमचे येयना तुम्ही आड पडले कोण आड पडले म्युनिसिपल इलेक्शन हालीं जाला थिंगा कोण आड पडले मेजॉरिटी 5 5 कोणाचे आयले आमच्या पक्षाचे येयले हे तांकां प्रत्येक पार्टी लोक उत्तर दिता पूण ते आपलेच उलयता आपलेच संवसारान आसा म्हणजे इन देयर ओन नेस्ट वीच दे आर फेदरिंग when we are prospering they are going down एकूय सिग्नल मेळना बाबा तुम्ही वयर सरता म्हणून अशें करता आतां ते रुल्स कोट करता I have very consciously moved a motion to suspend rule 360 and as you have explained further 258 259 is it for the first time in the history of the legislature of Goa that rules are being suspended Honorable Pratap Singh Rane was the speaker several other people were the speakers. How many times we have suspended the rules? And why are they scared if there is going to be a good budget? First they said, you will violate the code. Now there is no code. Municipal election zale, आमी जिकले. Code ही ना. So budget, I करे बाबा. Election, 5 municipality, तुमचेच लोक कोर्टान वचोन delay केले. So तू जबाबदारी आमचेर ना. We are ready to face the people
Matter is
anytime.
about Supreme Court. You are casting aspersions on the Supreme Court. तुम्ही कोर्टान गेले.
I am on my legs.
You may be on your leg.
Are you reply afterwards after I finish? You have
Contempt
every
against the
right to
minister
reply
of the
after I
Supreme
finish.
Court. You cannot
You have a
say,
right
you cannot
to
cast
reply
aspersion
after I
on a
finish.
decision taken by the Supreme Court,
Just sit down.
where you all have got a slap on the face. Your government went there with everyone. What happened? You all did not.
all
you all
judicial
tried to
decisions
cheat.
are not
You all
slaps.
can't. Every day is not a Sunday.
All judicial decisions, if they are considered as slaps, then people like you would have been sleeping forever or not being there in politics.
Where is
If all of
where is the
them-
decision?
You have also got
Rahul,
raps
Rahul,
in the
Rahul,
judiciary
Rahul,
and
where is the
various
decision
other
against
things
me?
which I am aware.
Against me,
I
where
don't
is the
want to say
decision?
it. I don't want to come to
tell
your
me,
level.
show me one decision
Please,
against
I don't want to come to your level. I am on my legs. Let me
What is the
finish.
level?
I'm quoting the
What
rules.
is the level? We are
I'm
all
quoting the
equal.
rules.
We are
Please
all
let me
equal. There's
quote
no
the
level
rules.
here.
Please let me quote the rules. Speaker sir, Rule 360 very clearly sangta that you have allowed to suspend 360 very clearly sangta 306 I'm sorry. Any consent of the speaker move any rule be suspended in its application to a particular motion before the house, and if the motion is carried, the rule in question shall be suspended. The speaker shall decide the procedure in such a case. Magir 309 kida mutta, speaker's decision not to be questioned. Ultimately, who is the custodian of the rules of the house, conduct of the house? It is the honorable speaker. They are abrogating unto themselves the way they conduct. स्पीकराचे फंक्शन ते करपा सोदता आनी डिक्टेट करता काय ना जाल्यार हिंगा वॉकआउट करता आनी वेला कडेन येता. इज दीस civilized behavior of a state assembly, that of a state like Goa? It shows basically कितें दाखयता स्पीकर सर, no regard to the rules, only frustration दाखयता. आनी फ्रस्ट्रेशन येतलेच स्पीकर सर. खुंयचेय इलेक्शन घे, पयले जिला येयले, आमी काबार जातले म्हूण प्रोपागंडा केलो, जावं ना, स्वीप केले. म्युनिसिपल आयले, काबार जाले, पणजे सारखे काबार म्हूण केले. भाऊशान दाखयले तांकां कितें तें, बीजेपीन दाखयलें कितें तें. तरी आसतना असले हाडनाका. लेट अस आज मान्य लिडर ऑफ ओपोजिशन, हांव तेन्ना ओगी बसलोलो, डिजिटायझेशन जाता तेन्ना देर आर ऑलवेज थिंग प्रॉब्लेम्स. You will not get a clear print. Oh, I don't know if his number also might have changed of the specs, so otherwise he'll have to get a magnifying glass to see the small letters. He knows what is the difficulty. He's an educated person. He has been the former chief minister. ड्रामा करपा जाय म्हूण ड्रामा असेंब्लीन केले म्हूण जायना, आपल्या वाचपा येना.
Speaker sir,
उत्तर दिता जाल्यारूय
there is a deviation from the topic at hand.
जाल्यारूय
This is about the motion.
हे कितें?
Sir,
You are
sir.
only trying to score brownie
Sir,
points.
point of order.
It's not fair, Speaker.
Point of order.
Discuss on the substance of the
Sir,
rule.
We are
Minister
We have called-
Minister is wasting time of the house.
No other discussion.
He is wasting time of the house talking nonsense. Nothing to do with people's classes.
Speaker, sir, let him.
Speaker sir,
Discussion on substance
Speaker
rules.
sir, let him direct him to
Speaker,
talk,
sir.
discuss only on the motion.
When I
Only
speak
on the
the
motion.
truth, they
Discussion on
call it
motion.
nonsense.
Speaker,
I
sir,
have
he's
clearly
talking
quoted the
nonsense.
rules, so I am within my rights to ask for suspension of the rules, which is in order as per the rules of procedure and conduct of business of the Goa Legislative Assembly. I have quoted the rules, and you are the final authority ultimately, so please proceed. Let us not waste the valuable time of the House, Speaker, sir.
Now I put the motion to the order of the House. Those in favor will say aye.
Speaker sir,
You cannot suspend the rules of the House. You have to put it to the vote of the House.
Yes, I am putting. I am putting to the House.
After it is
No, I want to clarify. You are saying that we raising objection is not casting aspersion on the speaker's office. We have every right, because he has moved a resolution, he has moved a motion, which motion we can oppose. It is our fundamental right to oppose a motion. He cannot stop us from opposing it. And we are free to speak about justification.
Nobody said that.
Why
Speaker,
we are
sir,
opposing
nobody
it?
said it.
Why we
You
are
are free to
opposing
move.
Arre.
Nobody said, and you have every right to
You are
move a
saying that
motion.
we are against the speaker.
So
we are not casting
you
aspersion on
should
the
have
speaker.
moved a motion or moved a notice of half an hour discussion instead of moving to the well. Why drama every time? Speaker,
have
sir?
given-
You
we
want
have
to
given-
create drama?
Speaker sir,
Rules provide
Speaker,
half
sir,
an hour discussion can be there. Give a
ignorance
notice
is
for
not
half an hour
bliss.
discussion. I am also quoting
Speaker
the
sir,
rules.
we have
I am
moved
telling
a
as
half an
per
hour
the rules.
discussion on that subject.
I am putting
We have
this
moved
motion
only
to the
for
order of the
him to
House.
decide.
Those in favor will say aye. Those against will say no. Ayes have it, ayes have it. The motion is carried.